You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, there are different pronunciations depending on the language. Which language are you looking for? Spanish is San, as in San Jose, for example. San Joaquin. Now, this is also Italian for saint, and it's also San, as in San Gimignano, for example. San Juan, San Francisco. Now, it's also Japanese for Mr. The Japanese pronunciation is as San, as in I'm Mikel-san, Mikel-san. And now you know. Any other pronunciation I've missed? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.